What that boy doing? Shout out to my own. Thanks for holding it down. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the blessings. We rocking, we rolling. Y'all know how we rocking, we rolling.
Oh yeah.
All good vibes, all good energy, all good blessings.
Appreciate you, bro.
Appreciate you, God.
Yeah. 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. I make those.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's hey, I'm praying to God they give me more.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Sorry for the delay, but I had to go out of town. I'm back. So we back on the Camaro. What I'm doing right now is remodifying the original factory console, which only comes to that point right there. So what I did, as you see, I painted. So when I take the fiberglass out, I can cut at that line. That's my console bottom piece. But we back. I'm back on the Camaro. Seats are done. I'm just waiting for the kill mat to come in. We got power locks in now, power windows. Never had power windows, and we also have power locks, which you can get a kit, linear actuator kit. It's where we have power windows, power locks. Digital dash is wired up. Only other thing that I really got to do is mock up the door panels, put the kill mat in, but basically just focusing on the console. You know, a lot of times what I would do is I take the original console and modify, just like I did the Blazer, to give it a whole different look and to beautytize it, to give it that pop. This is where we at. Sorry for the delay. We back on the Camaro. Hit that like and subscribe button. I just want to let you guys know that these projects, I'm building these projects by myself. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a team. I'm the team. You know, so every project that I do, I'm touching it. I don't have a team like a lot of these other shops. So salute those guys that's putting in work by themselves. You know what I'm saying? Those are some amazing guys. You know, when you got a team, yeah, everything go faster. But it's all about attention to detail. And so a lot of these projects I'm doing, mechanical wise, you know, I have mechanics and fabricating guys, but a lot of times when it comes to the seats, the center console, the custom door panels, I'm doing it to myself. And I want to give a big shout out to them guys like myself that's putting in work, building these projects themselves. So a lot of times you may not see the video content come at you real quick. It's because I'm putting in a lot of work by myself. I want to thank everybody who subscribing to the channel. If it's any questions that you have, answers or whatever, you know what I'm saying, whatever you need to know, just always feel free to send me a message. And another thing too, for the box Chevys, all those guys riding those box Chevys, and if you're missing like the bumper filler, I make them, and I will post that. I just don't have the well, I can show you guys what I'm talking about, but it's for the, I believe, the 78, 79, what, 77, 78, 79. So I make these bumper fillers. A lot of guys missing them from the 77 through the 79 on the box Chevy. I make those. So right now, also we got that 89 box with the panoramic roof. And We took the engine out because it's getting ready to go to the paint shop. Customer wants under the hood compartment all painted, showroom ready. So this one will be leaving here real soon, as soon as the Elko come back. Boone's Customs, hit that like button and subscribe. I want to appreciate you guys. Another vehicle, NFL player, Jonathan Moore for the Arizona Cardinals. Car came in, as clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. G-bodies. You guys with them G-bodies, look at all this custom original. All this original. So we gonna get them back right. I wanna appreciate my connect for turning me on to all these NFL guys. He said as soon as he got it, that happened. Jonathan Moore for the Arizona Cardinals. Give me some action. Let me see what we working with.
That's all I got to do right now.
Oh yeah.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say they let us know. Hey, I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them.